All right, how we doing, everybody? So I hadn't really been paying attention to where I was over on the account so much yesterday, and then when I went and looked in, I was like right on the edge of the stop out, which for 50K eval in trade the pool is 2,000. After I took those back-to-back pretty big loser days, trying to just YOLO some stuff. So yesterday afternoon, I decided to just YOLO the rest, blew that account. So this morning we are into a fresh 50K eval, the same thing I was in before, and just gonna have to be a little bit more conscious and pay attention to what I'm doing, which I didn't exactly do today, as you're gonna see in this video. I think sometimes because I don't want to say I don't care about these accounts as much, but I don't know, I seem to be trading more like things that I wouldn't trade normally, as you'll see today. But yeah, maybe got to lock in a little bit more and pay attention to things that I'm doing here in these accounts, because I'm kind of thinking like buying power over in the main versus buying power in these and having some issues back and forth there. But either way, blew one account there yesterday and trade the pool into a new one today.
Hey guys, are you tired of using the same old stock market scanner and getting the same old results? Add some intensity to your trading with the Intensity Stock Watch Scanner. The intensity indicator is the only predictive price action indicator that alerts before significant reversals, allowing trade management with unprecedented timing and accuracy. Now with this exclusive link and code GDTISW, you can get 20 to 30% off every month on your subscription. It's time to finally get the results you've been looking for and intensify your trading with the Intensity Stock Watch Scanner.
US move in here. See if it pushes up a little bit higher. They're going to get into the 1720s. All right, gonna get a starter here on QS, 1727, 400 shares starter. So he gets through 1780 for an ad. Got right to 80, could not get through there. Man, maybe should have hit it there right before 80 when I saw it struggling. Put an order out here at 1701 just in case it makes a quick move back to the downside here in QS. Alright, trying to come down here, a few cents away. 3 or 4 cents away on the bid. Gotta get the S down, of course. See if I can get the 17 retest here and get on out of this one. Alright. And there's the fill there, so a little bit over $100 here on QS, but man, it was pennies away there from getting the ad in over 1780, and that would have been real nice. Looking at Sound, SOUN moving here, see if it gets up into the 1940s quickly. Can it continue? Put an order out here on Sound 1944. See if I can get started up there. Alright, in here a starter in SOUN. 300 shares at 1944. Alright, starting to come back down here, SOUN. I'd be looking for a move under 1920 for a cover. Under 1920 is what I'm thinking here. Should be plenty of room to do that type of move. Alright, I'm not loving the action here now, SOUN, so I'm going to put order out now at 1928. Just see if I can end this. I was actually thinking I was going to get it right there, and then it immediately started popping up when I put that order out, so that's lovely a bit. Alright, I'm going to add in right here. And then I'm just going to put a stop in at 2001. Not going to let it go above that. So we'll see if this is maybe a little resistance here, or if it's going to bull flag me out. Well, it is 10 o'clock. Some looks like market news just came out, and the market just took a big green candle to the upside, which is definitely not going to help this trade. So we'll see what it wants to do. Don't love it. Definitely bull flagging pretty hard here. Anything up over 20 and I will be done. Yeah, market really running here, so that's going to make this one tough to not. All right, and there's the stop out there. So, little loser there. One winner, one loser so far today. AREB here. All right, gonna get started here. 200 shares at 770. Might get into a halt, we'll see. Looks like we are going to get halted here, 782. All right, so we're in a halt here, 782. So, assuming 5 minutes, we'll see what happens. All right, here we are. We are open. Let's see what it does. Oh, going crazy. What just happened there? Oh, is that because I can't trade within a certain amount of time after a halt? No, it got me. So now I'm 400 at, it just looks really weird on the chart there. 825 into another halt. That's strange. All right, we're going to add the, I don't know why it keeps making it look like that. 800 at 904 now. Just doing dumb things really with this, but we'll see if it can come down for me. All right, gonna take that off there, and somehow that's gonna work out for me. I'll have to go over to the actual account and check and make sure that this actually didn't violate any rules or anything, because I'm not 100% sure. All right, so I did go and look and didn't violate any rules or anything, so we're good to go there on all the trades today. So up 285 on the new account to start today, unfortunately, but is what it is. So if you guys are interested in trying any of these accounts out, make sure you check all the links down in the description below for Trade the Pool, for the scanner, for all the stuff that I use in my trading.